Good day, good day everyone. I'm Raymond Andaya from Block Biz IT Block 3A. So, perform natin yung cross-site scripting. So, find a search or input form using Buzz. So, ayan. Nandito na tayo sa search bar. Basahin natin. Locate a search bar. Ayan. Comment box. So, mag-comment tayo kahit ano. Loan. And then, pagka ano natin, forward lang natin. Ayan, may loan na siya. And then, inject XSS payload. In Buzzword, capture the request when you submitted it. So, lagay ulit tayo ng bank. Ayan. So, forward natin. Ayan. And then, form na natin yung modify the data field with the following XSS payload. So, copy lang natin to. Go natin. Then, makikita nyo dito may sinasabi siyang attack script. Ayan. So, forward lang natin. Ayan. Mapapansin nyo, parang inaatake siya ng isang virus or XSS scripting. Ayan. Finorward natin and then ulitin natin. So, forward lang natin ulit. Ayan. Ganyan lang ang mag cross site scripting. So, yun lamang po.